Pozdrav iz Hrvatske. Greetings from Croatia, and I am in Umag, one of the most northernmost cities in Croatia, close to the border with Slovenia and not so far away from Trieste, Italy, where I'm actually coming from. As I took the bus, and it took just 1 hour and 20 minutes to get to Croatia and passing by through Slovenia as well. So you can visit 3 countries in 15 minutes if we just go from the border of Italy to the border of Croatia, passing by Slovenia. This is Dante Beach, and it is off season, obviously, 11th of October 2025. There are a few kids swimming there in the sea on the other side, but other than that, it is completely empty, just people passing by in winter clothes. And I'm staying in that red building, in that hostel, so I have only 20-30 meters to this beach, and to my surprise I am all alone in the room that has 4 beds actually, and I'm all alone in the whole hostel actually that has multiple rooms. So it's definitely out of season, but I love it and it's amazing. So Umag is in Croatia obviously, and this is the first beach adventure from Croatia, but I'm gonna explore here along the coast today and tomorrow before I move to Slovenia, then continuing the quest with beach adventures. But now this is how Umag looks like at 4:30 on 11th of October. 19 degrees Celsius in the air. Satellite measurement of the sea is 19.6, but we're gonna find out soon if that is true and if needs to be warmer than that. So let's go and take a swim in the sea while I show you more of parts of the central Umag. It looks quite amazing, and there are many apartments and buildings here, and I guess it is very popular in the summer months. And there is here an entry into the sea and lots of rocks on the other side. Okay. And let's see the temperatures. Oh, it is super slippery here, so I need to catch the this ooh. Oh my god, if the slippery rocks in Sweden are slippery, this is super slippery that I'm walking right now. Okay. There was one person that was snorkeling earlier here, and yeah, this is the Adriatic Sea, and there are even jellyfish over here. Off we go with the thermometer. And with this wonderful view, it's time to take a swim into the sea here in Umag, Croatia, my first beach adventure on this 11th of October. So let's go! Oh, brilliant. I love it. Let's see the temperature in the water while I try to stand on something. Okay, to almost 22 degrees, so a lot warmer than the satellite measurement. That's what I thought as well, because it feels so warm and nice and definitely beautiful. The water is so clear, and there is a lovely view here at Dante Beach. Ah, beautiful. So, pozdrav iz Hrvatske, greetings from Croatia, and I'm going to now enjoy a bit here in the sea, and then to check some of the other beaches that they have here. So thanks a lot for watching, greetings from Umag, Croatia, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!